Welcome to Neon Cobra. Let's kick into it. Perfect. So today we're going to talk about the newly released Windows Server 2025. I'm kind of excited for this release, right? This is the evolution of what we're seeing Microsoft do with the server infrastructure and architecture. You're leaning more and more towards cloud or hybrid based, and actually there's some new features in this, or just the way they're treating certain features that I'm really excited about. I kind of want to cover some of those today, and these will be very relevant to service providers as well, maybe looking to try to upsell or move to the latest versions and take advantage. One of the first thing shows up alphabetically, but also top of mind for me is Azure Arc is now set up by default as a feature on demand. Whereas before you'd have to install that after. So during the setup, there's an enrollment process where you can actually register it with your Azure Arc infrastructure, which will be great for, the centralized management and ongoing kind of control of environments from a central area. As you start to get sprawl between on-premise, cloud, and everything like that, bringing everything into Arc, even cross-cloud to like AWS or GCP, you can use your Azure Arc to keep tabs of this. And this is just an easy way to ensure that becomes onboarded. Next, there's delegated managed service accounts. So these new service accounts are a way to kind of shut down the old school. I've got, a global admin or a service account that is really just a user with elevated permissions. You can actually get these managed service accounts in play, very similar to what you would see using like privileged identities in Azure. NVMe support. So there's optimizations in Windows Server 2025 to take full use of NVMe. So you can see performance improvements if you have the right hardware under the hood. One of my favorites, Windows LAPS or Local Administrator Password Solutions, is now native and has a bunch of extra features, including automatic account management and rollback detection. This is something that often gets overlooked, a single local password across all the systems in the environment. This actually has the centralized LAPS solution baked into it, and it's no longer a third-party requirement. Bunch of extra information. I'll provide the what's new link from the Microsoft side. These are the ones that jumped out immediately to me. I think would be of great value for any organization maybe looking to up their security game. All right, catch you next time.